This is a birthday gone wrong right here, for sure. It's rough. It's gritty. Dying?
Yeah.
Oh, that's us. We got a little technical issue. Doing it again.
Why is it doing that?
She's fighting a mechanical problem, it seems. Oh, let's try to stay. Let's try to keep it going. Let's try to keep it. Oh, there it goes.
Wait, let it.
Go over here a little bit just in case. Oh, bummer. All right, let's get this old girl home. We know exactly where to look. I've been dealing with it for a while. Carburetor, fuel pump. Here be the problem. What even is that? That's why this needle wasn't operating right. My 1948 CJ-2A just completely died while taking my daughter's friends out on their first ride. The engine is gasping, hesitating, and refusing to take throttle. We have a massive fuel delivery failure. We're working with a Joe's Motor Pool Carter WO. Listen to this and stumbles before RPMs finally catch up. The classic lean bog. When I crack that throttle plate open, the engine gulps air, but the fuel is lagging behind. It's the accelerator's pump job to shoot a quick stream of fuel into the throat to bridge that gap. If the pump is shot where the passages are full of dirt, junk, or whatever the hell was in there, you get that exact hesitation. And out on the road, that's what kills your engine at a stop sign. Let's tear it down. Here be the problem with why this went bad. The float needle. What even is that? Look at that. That's why this needle wasn't operating right. Let's get this reassembled back together with a clean float needle. We'll use this accelerator rod adjustment tool and the float adjustment tool for 3/8 inch. Since we found the problem with the carb, we cleaned it out. Let's start reassembling this, adjusting the float, adjusting the accelerator rod. I've also been suspect that the fuel pump was having a volume, velocity, pressure issue. A healthy mechanical pump should be pulsing a steady stream of fuel right into this jar. Since we know we got a full tank of gas, we found another smoking gun. It does come with a gasket, and this is a manual primer. So let's go ahead and get this one installed and see what the result is. Well, we got to get in here and replace this pump. You saw the problem. That wasn't good. Now that we got the carb sorted out, let's bolt up a new manual prime pump, rerun the hard lines, and see if we can't get this started. This is what you should expect to see from a properly working mechanical fuel pump. A steady, pulsating stream of fuel. Well, now that we got it all buttoned back up, let's see if it'll start. We'll prime that fuel pump manually. We'll fill up the lines. We'll run it off that idle circuit, and then we'll go give it the real test. We'll go put a load on it on a few little hills just down the road, and we'll test out that accelerator circuit. That's the key piece that's always been a bothersome. So let's get after that. We're up to operating temperature. Let's just check this accelerator circuit while we're in the garage, see if it reacts nicely. Let's take it out on its first little spin. We'll be easy on it. Its first go round. get this over to the local trail, put it in 4-wheel drive, climb a hill, see how she does. Unlock these hubs. Let's cruise over to Liberty Point, overlook Lake Pueblo, and enjoy the scenery for a moment. It's a beautiful drive up here. Let's get home. Looks like it's gonna rain. Let's get this in the garage. We got to get the birthday girls back over here so the CJ can redeem itself. The CJ-2A 48 ran flawless out there. It didn't bog down once. We took it on some hills and some long stretches of road, got it up into the 3rd gear on some hills. In the past, this thing would have bogged down, wanted to stall, die out. It was untrustworthy. I'm happy now that the revival's done. I think I might be able to take this out for a long journey now. That's gonna be next. I'm gonna go stretch its legs out and see what it's got. Maybe put 50, 100 miles on it. I don't know, we'll see. And I don't know what's gonna happen out there. Is it gonna overheat? Who knows? But we'll get it ready to go. Thanks for watching, we appreciate it. Talk to you later.